Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So like you can already guess, today is a cook with me video. We're going to be making a simple but delicious meal from the eastern part of Nigeria called Okpa. Yes, Okpa Di-Oku, nsukka Okpa, Enugu Okpa. So please, if you love Okpa like me, comment in the comment section below. Let's know ourselves, okay? And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Chika Mba from Mom's Niche Diary. So yes, you can sit back and enjoy this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and you can also check out my previous video, watch them, like them, okay? And don't forget, like I said, to subscribe. Now, Okpa has been saving lives since 1900. 1900, like back in my university days, Okpa Enugu. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So okpa is made from bambara nuts, which is grinded and turned into flour, and it's made from three very simple ingredients. Some people make it four. You could actually spice it the way you want it, like by adding crayfish and other things. But let me show you how I cook mine. So just come with me and see how I cook my okpa. Okay, so let's start making our okpa. Yes, okpa nsukka. Okay, so this is our okpa, also known as bambara flour. And this is our palm oil. This is a seasoning cube, just one. And of course, salt. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to turn this okpa into a bigger bowl. Okay. So inside a bigger bowl now, in a bigger bowl, and the first thing will be to put in your palm oil. Put in your palm oil. Okay. And now let's start mixing. You know, before you start cooking, the first step is actually to wash your hands. Yes, that's the first main step. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. So we're going to mix this. Mix this and mix this. We are going to mix this until we get the desired color that we want. Okay. So we have gotten the desired color that we want, yes. So the amount of palm oil you use will determine how popping your okpa is going to look like. If you want your okpa very popping, you know, that very delicious, yummy look, yes. Okay, so the next step now will be to mix it with lukewarm water. Yes, the water has to be lukewarm. And okpa needs a lot of water, like this is not moi moi. So you need to put in a lot of water, okay, and mix it very well. We do not want any crumbs. Like you can see, I had to drop down my stick and use my hands. All right, so you mix it till you get the desired texture. Make sure there's no lumps, like no single lumps. And now let's add our spice. Let's add our Maggi and some salt. And mix it together. Mix, 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 and taste. Now, at this point, some people add oziza seed, some people add crayfish, you know, you can add your pepper, but I'm actually making this for my kids, so, and they don't like it spicy, so we're gonna leave it like this. That's why I said simple, simple, simple. Okay, I think I need to add a little more salt. Mix, 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 mix. Mix and taste. Mix and taste. And at this point, you should be boiling water already. The water should be boiling. Okpa needs to enter a hot boiling water. You mix and put it into a boiling water. Let me taste it again. Yeah, we are there now. So I'm gonna put it inside my food nylon. You can use any packaging you want, or any container rather. Some people also use the leaf, the banana leaf, which is amazing, but I don't have that right now, so I'm working with what I have. Okay, so this is my food nylon. Can you see that? We're gonna tie this and drop it inside the boiling water. Okay, that is better. You can see this now. So drop it inside the boiling water. Our Okpa Di-Oku is inside the hot boiling water. So let's leave it for like 40 minutes thereabout till it's ready. Then I'll show you the final product. Okay. Our food is ready. Can you see how yummy this looks? Can you see our nsukka Okpa Di-Oku? Yes. Can you see the yummy color? All right. So if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you and God bless you.